Our next Quest for the Best Award recipient is Talia Kieu. Talia is a senior majoring in public health with minors in women's studies and LGBTQ+ studies. Her involvements include the Flying Samaritans of SDSU, Women's Club Water Polo, Planned Parenthood, Generation Action, and Gamma Rho Lambda. Talia has volunteered with Advocates for Youth and Planned Parenthood. She has been recognized with the Collegiate Water Polo Association Scholar Athlete Award, SDSU Student Research Symposium President's Award, and the Sally Casanova Pre-Doctoral Scholarship. Talia's advisor said of her, "She embodies the very best of SDSU and exemplifies the transformative nature of this university and its mission. It is very easy to get caught up in the day-to-day activities of work. For Talia, her college degree changes not only her life, but the lives of her family and indeed the entire San Diego community. Talia is a breathing example of what we do best, and the most wonderful thing of all, she has taken all of her resilience, courage, and drive and given it back tenfold to this campus and this community. She is a reminder to each and every one of us as to why we do what we do." After graduation, Talia will pursue a PhD in health behavior at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Talia is honoring Dr. Jarrell Calzo from the School of Public Health. Dr. Calzo, thank you for your mentoring. We will now watch a video with some remarks from Talia.
Hi everybody, my name is Talia Kieu and I'm currently recording from the college area right around the corner at SDSU. I'd like to thank everybody who made this award possible, and I feel honestly really undeserving to receive such a great award alongside so many other recipients. But I'm extremely proud of what the slate of awardees has accomplished during our short time here at SDSU. When I entered college, I really had no idea what to expect, and I couldn't have predicted that I would make the most out of my college experience like this, and that I would leave any sort of lasting impact on campus. Receiving this award means a lot to me, and it demonstrates that SDSU has so much more to offer students than an in-classroom experience, but that I, alongside a lot of my peers, took advantage of the out-of-classroom learning opportunities that SDSU has to offer. The past 4 years have been really challenging in the most refreshing ways. Being at SDSU has taught me how to problem solve, think on my feet, and most importantly, ask my friends for help whenever possible. I definitely couldn't have graduated from SDSU without the support and guidance I've been so fortunate to receive from others, and I'm really glad that I have a platform now to thank them. I'd first like to thank my mentor, Dr. Jarrell Calzo. He took a chance on me when I was in my second year and gave me so much hands-on guidance. He truly invested in my potential, and I have him to thank for almost all of my accomplishments. Thank you, Dr. Calzo, for showing me the importance of stepping out of my comfort zone and giving me a safe space to do so. I'd like to show gratitude to the rest of my village. Thank you, Dr. Heather Corliss, for showing me patience and allowing me to try something new through your work. Thank you, Dr. Jennifer Fellner, for being my #1 cheerleader and for believing in me so fiercely even when I felt absolutely defeated. To all of my peers that I met working under these professors, I love you all so much, and I've learned so much from each and every one of you. You're way more than my coworkers or lab mates, but my lifelong friends, and I hope I can repay you by feeding you egg rolls. Thank you to the Casa family, especially my peers in IMSD and Mark, especially Maureen Paolini, Thelma Chavez, and Brittany Bloom, who have helped me no matter what silly situation I found myself in. Thank you to my friends that I've met through Planned Parenthood Generation Action and for allowing me to lead such an amazing group of people and motivating me to think much greater and broader than our community. Thank you to my water polo team, especially my coach, Jamie Cassidy, who showed me a home at the Aquaplex and a family through a group of 35 girls. I know that you'll always welcome me back with open arms. And lastly, I would not be here if it weren't for my parents and my grandmother and all my loved ones who I don't have time to mention in this 2-minute speech. To everybody that I mentioned today, my time at SDSU has been so greatly impacted by your presence in my life, and I want to extend my gratitude for playing a role in my college experience. As I move on to the next phase of my life, I will have you all in my heart and carrying with me all that you've taught me. Thank you.